Hey Charmers, it's your girl Steph B, and today I'm going to demo and explain the 3 types of touch and soap products that we featured in your box in the past. So let's get started. So this is all 3 of them. So we have the primer, we have the Touch and Soul Essence, and now we have the Touch and Soul Glassy Balm. So I think the first one I'm gonna talk about is the one that we've featured in February, which is the primer. I love this primer simply because it's great for all skin types, especially for oily skin. I have oily skin and this product works amazing for me. Honestly, if it wasn't for Boxycharm, I would have never known about this product here. So thank you Boxycharm for introducing me to this product because it's amazing. What I love about it is that it's super lightweight. You only need a little bit of pump, a little bit of product actually. Let's put it down and smooth it. I just love how lightweight it is. It helps cover your pores, wrinkles, and uneven complexion. It's just amazing. For best results, you wanna apply just a thin layer after your moisturizer so that right before you're gonna put on some makeup, your application looks amazing and flawless. And it smells good too. Like, it has a very floral scent to it. It's cute. So now that we're done with the primer, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the Poreblem Primer Essence. Now this product, a lot of people were getting it confused as a primer when in fact it's an essence. It's best used for skincare. So you wanna apply this as the last step of your skincare routine. So right after you've already washed your face, put on your toner and your moisturizer, use this as the last step. You're literally just gonna take a few drops. And I like this because it's so lightweight and creamy. It helps with oily skin if you do have oily skin. Take a little bit in there and it's so lightweight. It doesn't even feel oily. It smells very refreshing. You literally just take a little bit and you just pat, 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 tap, 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 tap. Just a little bit up until your skin absorbs it, and it's just gonna make your skin feel amazing, especially when you wake up the next morning and put on your makeup. Your skin is just gonna look flawless and you're gonna be glowing from within. People are just gonna be complimenting you from left and right, girl. So just make sure that this product is used as a skincare product, not primer. So this is the last Touch and Soap product, and it's the Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. And what I love about this product is that it's super nourishing and it's great for hydrating your skin. It's amazing. I remember that I would have this on my desk just randomly, and Johnny would apply this on his face almost every single day. And I kid you not, you guys, he was looking hydrated. When I say fresh out of a facial or something. And I'm like, Johnny, what is this, the glossy skin balm that's on your face? And he's like, yes. And I'm like, it looks so good. It looks amazing. So this balm serves as a moisturizer, a primer, and a glow effect. What I love about it is just, it adds so much brightening to your skin. It's amazing. And it's extremely lightweight. That's what I just love about these Touch and Soap products. They're lightweight on your skin. They're not heavy, because you just never want anything heavy on your skin, especially if you're gonna be building up skincare products, especially for makeup, and these are really great. So for best results, you wanna apply this as the last step of your skincare routine prior to you applying your makeup application, just so that you can get a dewy and glowy, glow from within type of vibe, if that's what you're going for. And if you're going for a no makeup look, you can apply this 2 to 3 times daily just for longer lasting wear. It smells very light in fragrance. That's what I love about the Touch and Soap products. They're very light in fragrance. They're not overwhelming and overpowering, especially for those that don't like a strong scented product. Alrighty guys, so that's a wrap for the demo and benefits of the 3 types of Touch and Soap products that we featured in your box in the past. Right now, you have a Touch and Soap kit. You have your primer, you have your essence, and you have a balm. Everything for the best makeup application you can ever ask for. Don't forget, you can use this as your primer, use this as an essence as the last skincare product in your routine, and use this as a balm if you want that glowy and dewy effect. Don't forget to comment, and subscribe to stay updated with all things Boxy. Bye, Charmers.